Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Today we have to discuss De Morgan's theorem. There are De Morgan's two theorems. Let's discuss first theorem. It states that complement of sum is equal to product of their complement. See, in this diagram, NOR gate is equal to bubble and gate. Means A plus B complement is equal to A bar dot B bar. Let's see the truth table of De Morgan's first theorem. See, in the truth table, A, B, A plus B bar, A bar, B bar, A bar dot B bar. As we know, if there are two inputs, there are four input conditions. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 are the input conditions. In the column A plus B bar is the output of NOR gate. So we'll get the output 1, 0, 0. In the next column A bar will get the complement of first column A. In the next column B bar will get the complement of second column B. Complement means converting 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. In the next column A bar dot B bar, here we have to take the AND operation of A bar dot B bar. So in the last column we get 1, 0, 0. So the third column and the last column are equal. It proves that A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. This proves the De Morgan's first theorem. Let's start with De Morgan's second theorem. It states that complement of product is equal to sum of their complement. As shown in figure, A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Means NAND gate is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. For complement we require NOT gate. So NOT gate will give A bar B bar. Connected to OR gate, so we'll get A bar plus B bar. See, in the truth table of second theorem of De Morgan's, we require the columns A, B, A dot B bar, A bar, B bar, A bar plus B bar. As we know, for two input, there are four input conditions. So we require 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. A dot B complement is the output of NAND gate. For next column A bar, we get the complement of first column A, and for B bar we have to take the complement of second column B. For A bar plus B bar, we have to take into consideration the column 4th and 5th, that is A bar and B bar. So we'll get the output 1, 1, 0. As we see, the third column A dot B bar and the last column A bar plus B bar are same. It proves De Morgan's second theorem. That is A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. The first theorem we can also state it as the NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. The second theorem we can state as the NAND gate is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. The diagram shows the De Morgan's first theorem. See, in the first diagram, invert output of OR gate. means it is a diagram of NOR gate, and it is equivalent to the invert inputs of AND gate. In this figure, it shows the second theorem, that is invert output of AND gate is equivalent to the invert inputs of OR gate. Let's discuss the new topic, Boolean laws. In this, we have to study first law, that is distributive law. It gives A into bracket B plus C bracket complete is equal to AB plus AC. The next law is commutative law. In this law, A dot B is equal to B dot A, and A plus B is equal to B plus A. Next law is associative law. In this law, A dot in bracket B dot C bracket complete is equal to A dot B bracket complete dot C, means A dot BC is equal to AB dot C. In the second associative law, A plus in bracket B plus C is equal to bracket A plus B bracket complete plus C. Figure shows the symbolic representation of associative law. Next are the basic rules for Boolean algebra. A plus 0 is equal to A plus 1 is equal to 1, A dot 0 is equal to 0, A dot 1 is equal to A plus A is equal to A plus A bar is equal to 1, A dot A is equal to A dot A bar is equal to 0, A double bar is equal to A plus AB is equal to A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. A plus B in second bracket A plus C is equal to A plus BC. While solving the Boolean laws or Boolean algebra, we have to use De Morgan's theorems. It states that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. And the second theorem, A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. By using this law, we can solve the Boolean equations. Let's see how to solve the Boolean equation by using the Boolean laws. See, in the equation, we have to prove that A into bracket A plus B bracket complete is equal to A. We have to take LHS into consideration, that is A into A plus B. Then we have to use the distributive law, A dot A plus AB. We know A dot A is equal to A. So we have to put this value, then A plus AB. Then take A common, will get A into bracket 1 plus B. And we know that 1 plus B is equal to 1. So substituting the value, will get A dot 1. That's we get A. It proves LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you.